So, we all know that 2021 was a crazy year for smartphones. We got the iPhone 13, the Galaxy S21, even though I believe that was in 2020, the Google Pixel 6, and today, even though it's 2022, I'm here to bring you a new crazy phone. This one is from Huawei. First of all, Huawei been doing an amazing, crazy fucking job as a Chinese company, you know, competing in the market with big brands such as Apple and Samsung and such different names, you know. But this one is kind of crazy. This one is good, you know. I've been talking down about Huawei for a long time, but this one is good. This one is the Huawei P50 Pro. Yeah, the P50 Pro, the latest phone that is coming out from Huawei. I believe they came out. Did it came out yet? I don't know, but one of these things, it's either coming out or it came out already. But the P50 Pro, let's talk about specs. Let's talk about, I don't have it on hand because, you know, I'm a small tech YouTuber, but nobody would give me a fucking phone like this. But, you know, let's talk about specs. Let's talk about brand new features. And let's talk about the company Huawei. So, before we get into that, I want you to subscribe to my channel because, you know, that will be crazy too. We got the crazy phones and I want to see the crazy subscribers. So, first of all, do that. Go ahead, subscribe. Don't like the video right now because that would be stupid. Unless you're stupid, you don't want to like the video right now. Watch the video, see about the phone, hear about the Huawei company as in general. Then decide if you want to like it. But subscribe, you don't have a choice. Go ahead and subscribe. So, let's get into it. The phone is 195 grams, so it's not heavy. It's not gonna feel heavy in your pocket. It's not gonna bring you down. It has some fucking different listen, for the specs that it has to be weighing at 195 grams at 8.5 millimeters, that shit is not heavy, bro. This shit has, I believe, 4 or 5 camera sensors with 2 different fucking lenses. I'm gonna show you the photo right now. Look at it. The display size is 6.6 inches. That's somebody's dick right there. Well, pause. Why am I talking about somebody's dick? And that's very specific. 6.6 inches with OLED display up to 120 hertz refresh rate and 460 ppi resolution, 2700 by 1228 pixels. It has Snapdragon 888 4G not 5G and octa-core CPU, Adreno 660 GPU with 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB of ROM storage. It has 4 sensors. Yeah, 4 sensors on the back. A 50 megapixel true chroma camera with 1.8 aperture, 40 megapixel true chroma camera, 1.6 aperture, 13 megapixel ultra wide angle camera with 2.2 aperture, and 64 megabytes telephoto camera with 3.5 aperture, 200 times zoom. So that's more than the fucking Galaxy S21 Ultra. With autofocus, digital zoom, optical zoom, hybrid zoom, image resolution 8K, 8192 by 6144 pixels, video resolution 4K video, 1080p, 960 frames per second, super slow motion. And that's all in the back. Now let's talk about the front camera. It has a 13 megapixel front camera sensor with wide angle 2.4 autofocus, aperture autofocus, image resolution 4K. The back is 8K, the front is 4K. Video resolution is 4K, supports up to 1080p, 240 frames per second, slow motion. Not as high as the back camera, but you know, the rear camera is always going to be stronger than the front camera. Battery is 4,360 milliamps per hour, so that's a huge battery for these kind of specifics. With fast charge, 60 watt fast charge and 50 watt wireless fast charge. Yeah, 60 watt, 66 watt and 50 watt for the wireless. It is splash water and dust resistant IP68. It is 4G. It doesn't have 5G yet. It is 4G connectivity, you know, Bluetooth, USB, ear jack. For the headphone jack, it is not going to be a headphone jack. It is going to be a Type C, like the iPhone basically. In the box you get a phone, okay, built-in battery, of course, one charger, USB Type C cable, one flexible clear case, you know, for free. One, you get a quick start guide, eject tool, eject SIM tool, you know, the fucking pin thing. You got the warranty card. And if you buy right now, the price is kind of expensive, you know, I'm not gonna lie to you. And here I have it in euros. In euros it's like 1,200 euros because it just came out. Give it a few weeks, it will drop to like probably 1,000 euros. 1,200 euros, that's like $1,000 for my American viewers. For the pound, when you buy it in pound, that's even less. But it's all the same fucking, you know, same money. It's even less. And when maybe they give it a few weeks, it will drop to fucking 900. But for the things that it's offering, that's kind of crazy for this phone, you know. For these specs, you kind of accept it. You kind of have to accept it. Plus, they're saying if you buy right now, they give you free fucking earbuds. I don't know. You can see it on the website. It is in French. Fuck, I don't know if you can read it, but here. This is cost €0 in here. This, like here. This. The main camera matrix shows you a world of true colors, and the super zoom matrix is able to capture images in beautiful clarity from near or far, wide or close in. What you see is what you get. Whew. Bruh, that's crazy. Look at this photo, bruh. Look at it. Shit is amazing. The details, you can see it kind of, you know, the grass is not looking super realistic, but you know, you can attribute that to the light, you know, the sunset, and you don't have fucking, but the fucking colors on in this fucking sunset, bruh, phew, enough to make a white man come, bruh. Yeah, Huawei on this one, they were able to surpass themselves on this one. They did a great job. This is a phone that is going, I'm not gonna say they to compete with the big dogs, because they already do that. They compete with the big dogs and it's not a problem to them. They outsell the big dogs. They use crazy technology. Chinese company, you can see that China is taking over the market, you know, but yeah, they've been doing great for themselves, Huawei. As a Chinese company coming from nothing, and like Google trying to fucking press them to not give them these softwares and shit, to like, you know, press them, and they say, no what, fuck Google, fuck Android, we can create our own exploitation system. But that would set them a few years back, but I'm happy they were able to solve that and set that and still use Android. You know, Snapdragon systems, the cameras, the fucking, you know, the software, hardware, they doing amazing jobs. They were able to do amazing job with their products, and I'm glad to see a Chinese company do this, you know. So I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you like the phone. If you got the money for it, go ahead and buy it. If you don't have it right now, you can wait a few minutes. The fuck? You can wait a few weeks till it drops a little bit, the price drops a little bit, and you can get yourself one, and you know, try it. Don't knock it till you fucking try it. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one. If you like it, go ahead and like it now, you know. No, don't be stupid, like it now, not in the beginning, but you know, like it now, and comment. Leave a comment, whatever, say hi, say, leave your opinion, say your thoughts. Would you purchase it, would you not? You know, let's talk. And I'll see you on my next one, I believe. Peace.